Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a fortifying moisturizing shampoo for hair growth. So we have phase 1 or phase A. Phase A we have hibiscus hydrosol, distilled water, peppermint hydrosol, decyglucoside, betaine, glycerin and guar gum. And then for phase B we have coconut oil, Dehyquart, hydrolyzed keratin protein. And then for the cool phase or the down phase, we have parthernol, tea tree essential oil, and a natural preservative. So you need 2 heat-resistant beakers and 1 bottle to store your product, and for the 2 to for heating. So now we are getting guar gum and glycerin or glycerite, hibiscus glycerite, to hydrate the guar gum. So this is a very important step which you need to do to hydrate your guar gum so that you don't have any lumps. And this is the easiest actually. So like once it's well blended, then you can stop, like you won't see any lumps in it. And so at this point, I'm putting on the surgical glove. This is a very important step so that we don't let bacteria and molds to grow into our product. In fact, I was supposed to put them on before doing anything, but you know, we had forgotten. However, it's not too late. Yes, and a shout out to Linda Vos, Linda Kleypas, and Maureen Vos for suggesting this video. Thank you so much, dear friends. You know, like if you have any suggestions on this channel, I'll be glad like to do them. Just comment in the section below. So like you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so, because on this channel there are so many good things that you cannot afford to miss. Okay, so now our guar gum is ready, as you can see. So now we are getting our phase A and adding all the products in phase A. For the percentages of all the products, I'll link them in the description box below. You can check them out. So when you are done, make sure that you stir it gently using a spatula. We are done. Now we are getting phase B. So we're just adding phase B in 1 beaker. That's the Dehyquart, coconut oil, and hydrolyzed keratin protein. That's the brand which we are using. So hydrolyzed keratin will actually strengthen our hair and moisturize it and reduce breakage. So at this point, you have to make sure that you heat phase A and phase B. So we are going to heat them. So as you can see, like we've heated them, and everything is ready now. So we are adding phase B to phase A. Stir it gently until it's homogeneous. So as you can see, like, it is blending in so well. It's quite a creamy shampoo. So as you can see, it has blended so well. So now at this point we are adding our cool phase, that is the parthernol. And tea tree essential oil, and 1% of our preservative. That's a very important step so that modern bacteria doesn't grow in your product, and stir it once more. So now our product is ready, as you can see. So now we are transferring our product into our bowl or into a bottle. So like today it's wash day, so we are going to try this shampoo. Yes, I'm super excited to see how it will work. So like I had done a pre-shampoo. I actually did a video on how you can do an effective hot oil treatment. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So now like okay, so now I'm starting off on wrist hair. I had done a hot oil treatment and actually did a video on how you can make an effective hot oil treatment. I'll link it in the description box below, or you can check it out. So like keeping the scalp clean and healthy is an integral part in achieving normal healthy hair growth. If the scalp is not cared for properly, the buildup from sweat, daily, and excess oil can block follicles, so resulting in a range of issues from inflammation to severe itching and dandruff. So generally, unhealthy scalp will affect the condition of your hair. So like this fortifying moisturizing shampoo will cleanse. It's suitable for all hair types. The nutrient blend of vitamins and botanical extract is pH balanced to protect hair and maintain a natural mantle of your scalp, leaving your hair looking and feeling naturally shine, radiant, and beautiful, enriched with a pure, natural, aromatic products or ingredients. So like you need to concentrate your shampoo on your scalp, massage it